children, today we are going to solve problems of exercise 3.1 of a polynomials chapter 3 class 10. What is the first bit? If p of x equal to 5x power 7 minus 6x power 5 plus 7x minus 6, this is a given polynomial. Find coefficient of x power 5. Coefficient of x power 5. What is mean by coefficient? Which is multiplied to a variable, is called coefficient. Here 5 minus 6 7, these three are coefficients, but here asking coefficient of x power 5. Here what is the coefficient of x power 5? This is a coefficient of x power 5, it is minus 6. So write it as along with symbol also. Here 6, it has negative symbol. Okay, minus 6 is a coefficient of x power 5. Second question is degree of p of x. Degree of p of x. P of x equal to, this is a polynomial. What is the degree? Degree is nothing but highest power of x variable. Highest power of x variable. Here 7, 5, x power 1. 7, 5, 1. In these three, 7 is the highest number. So, the degree of p of x is 7. So, degree of p of x is 7. Okay. Next, constant term. In this polynomial, which is a constant term? Minus 6 is a constant term. Okay. Minus 6 is a constant term. Okay. Now move on to second question. What is the second question? State which of the following statements are true. Which of the following statements are true and which are false? Give reasons for your choice. Here we have some questions. Here we have some statements. In these statements, we have to find which is false, which is true statement. Okay. And we have to write reason also. Okay. Now first bit is the degree of the polynomial. Here root 2x square minus 3x plus 1. This is a polynomial. Okay. In this polynomial, the degree of the polynomial is 2. In question, they gave the degree of this polynomial is root 2. So, the degree of the polynomial is root 2. Is this correct? No. The degree of the polynomial is 2. Okay, the degree of the polynomial is 2. Answer is false. What is the reason? The degree of the polynomial is 2, not root 2. The degree of the p of x polynomial is nothing. P of x is 2, not root 2. Okay, here root is multiplied with x variable. This is a coefficient, not degree. Okay, now move on to second bit. The coefficient of x square. The coefficient of x square. What is the given polynomial? 3x cube minus 4x square plus 5x plus 7. Coefficient of x square. This is a x square. What is the coefficient of x square? Minus 4. But they gave 2. Is it true or false? It is false. What is the reason? Because coefficient of x square is minus 4, not 2. Coefficient of x square is minus 4, not 2. Okay. Now move on. Now third bit is the degree of a constant term is 0. The degree of a constant term is 0. Let's take any constant number. For example, 5. So 5, we can write it as 5x power 0. These two are same because here x power 1, x power 0 is 1. Anything power to 0 is always 1. Anything power to 0 is always 1. Power manaki 0 unte x power 0 is nothing but 1. Here 5x power 0. 5x power 0 is nothing but 1. 5 into 1, 5. Okay. For example, 100x power 0. 100x power 0 is nothing but 100. So, what is the degree of 5? Degree of 5 x power 0. What is the degree? Highest degree. Here 0 is the highest degree. So we can say the degree of constant term is 0. Answer is true. We can write any constant term along with x power 0. Okay. Here 5, we can write it as 5x power 0. So x power 0 is, x power is 0. So it is a degree is 0. Next move on to fourth bit. 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6. This is a given polynomial. 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6 is a quadratic polynomial. Is a quadratic polynomial. Here he is asking, is this a polynomial? No, because the polynomial should be non-negative integral powers. Non-negative integral powers. So here polynomial is in the denominator. If you write this polynomial into numerator, the powers we have negative. See, the polynomial is a denominator. So we can write it as x power x square minus 5x plus 6 whole power minus 1. Here 2 into minus 1 minus 2. 1 into minus 1 minus 1. So the powers became negative. The powers became negative. So it is not a polynomial. So first write false. Why? The polynomial should be, the powers of x variable should be non-negative integral. So it should have, here it has powers are negative. So the powers should be non-negative integrals. The power should be non-negative integrals. Okay. So this is not a polynomial. And now move on to fifth bit. The degree of a polynomial is 1 more than the number of terms in it. The degree of a polynomial is 1 more than the number of terms in it. What is the degree of the polynomial? The highest power of a x variable. Actually, degree of the polynomial is nothing but highest power of a x variable. But here he is saying it depends upon number of terms. ఆ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్లో ఎన్ని టర్మ్స్ ఉంటే అన్ని టర్మ్స్కి 1 యాడ్ చేస్తే వచ్చేదే డిగ్రీ అని చెప్తున్నారు. కానీ కాదు కదా, ఎక్స్ వేరియబుల్కి హయ్యెస్ట్ పవర్ ఎంతైతే ఉందో దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ డిగ్రీ ఆఫ్ ఏ పాలినామియల్. బట్ ఈయనేం చెప్తున్నాడు, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 2x plus 5. హౌ మెనీ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టర్మ్స్ హియర్? 1 2. టోటల్ 2 టర్మ్స్. ఇఫ్ యూ యాడ్ 1, 2 plus 1 equal to 3. సో 3 is a degree of this polynomial అంటున్నాడు. Is it true? No. What is the degree of this polynomial here? What is the x power? 1. So degree of this polynomial is 1, not 3. So answer is false. Why? The degree of a polynomial is depends upon highest power of a variable, not depend upon number of terms. So you can write it as the degree of a polynomial not depends on number of terms. The degree of a polynomial not depends on number of terms. Okay. Thank you for watching.